Hey, I'm Anthony Horton. This is my Jeep, my 2000 Wrangler TJ. I'm going to be doing an install video for a sponsored part from Car Sponsors Now Publicity. I'll be installing a Rubicon Express steering stabilizer and also the bracket. However, I had to order the bracket off of Amazon. Let's get started. Okay, so here's the box that the steering stabilizer comes in. Rubicon Express, as you can see. Comes with a shock boot. Comes with this bolt, which would go through, on some setups, it would go through the axle bracket back here where this side of the steering stabilizer goes. And you'll have a cotter pin that will go through the top of this, and you get a castle nut as well. You get a couple washers, you get a zip tie, and these two metal pieces here which go on a different setup than what I have. I had to go onto Amazon to order this bracket, and you need one of these brackets in order to install the steering stabilizer on a heavy duty steering kit. This is mine I got from Rough Country. It's very nice. Now your bracket is going to come with 2 U-bolts, 4 nuts, and 4 washers. You're going to need a socket wrench, a 9/16 socket, and a 9/16 wrench. Since the kit didn't come with the bolts that I need, I went down to Lowe's, got me a 5/8 bolt, 5/8 nut, and a washer. This bolt will go on this side of the steering stabilizer and will go through the bracket. This bolt here will go through this side of the steering stabilizer, and this is a 1/2" bolt, 1/2" nut, washer, and that will hold this piece on here. so that was my install of the Rubicon Express steering stabilizer on my TJ 2000. As you can see, I need a couple different tools. The ones that I didn't say in the beginning of the video were just the different sizes I need for the bolts that I got down at Lowe's. One was a 19mm, I think the other's like a 22. Anywho, thanks for watching, and I hope you like this video, and have a nice day.